we see you rolling on the gram, we absolutely embrace how you post. Your post reflects candidness.
Who believes in dreaming your big life, living your life on its face value, and while you do the best for yourself. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Grow with the VS. I'm Anjali Sethia.
And I'm Kritika Sethia. Today we have with us a homegrown independent singer, Sanskriti Shankar, with her unique and contemporary style of singing.
Hey, I'm so happy to be here.
Hello. In 2017, she was launched as Indian Music Lab Artist of the Month on Sony Rocks and Sony Mix. She also has wrote 2 songs, Tu Wo Aadat and Tare Aayenge.
She's a singing coach and someone who believes in breaking the stigmas and empowering the women around her. Welcome, Sanskriti. Glad to have you with us on Grow with the VS Season 2.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm so excited and thrilled to be here. Thank you so much. And for that great introduction. I'm too humble to accept it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Pleasure is all ours. Primarily to kick things off, as you retrospect on your career as a singer, we would want to know your journey of this unparalleled voice and talent that you possess. Please tell us about it.
हम जहाँ से आते हैं, I have been born and brought up in Prayagraj, and हमारी मम्मी हमें बताती हैं that since I was a little kid and I used to cry, Mama used to sing nursery rhymes to me and I used to stop crying as a baby. तो मैं हमेशा चुप हो जाती थी एंड प्री स्कूल के बाद जब मैं घर आया करती थी एंड एवरीबॉडी यूज्ड टू बी एट वर्क, मम्मी काम कर रहे हैं, पापा काम कर रहे हैं, दीदी काम कर रहे हैं, हम वो करारी टेल्स के कैसेट्स आते थे. I used to put that and with the music I used to be just engrossed in it for hours. So by the time I was 5 years old and मेरे पेरेंट्स सोच रहे थे कि किस हॉबी में इनरोल करना चाहिए संस्कृति को, आई थिंक सिंगिंग एंड म्यूजिक वाज अ पार्ट दैट दे रियलाइज्ड कनेक्ट्स टू मी समवेयर एंड उस हिसाब से मैंने 5 साल की उम्र से गाने की अपनी जर्नी शुरू की.
All right, that's very endearing. Then, so you were born and brought up in Allahabad, right?
Yes, I have been born and brought up in Allahabad.
That's amazing. All right. Inspiration is amazing.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. And also, as we see you rolling on the gram, we absolutely embrace how you post. Your post reflects candidness. But, despite defying all the odds, despite being your rawest self, there are some times when we try hard to fit in, be it in our social groups or professional communities. So how did you break that barrier for yourself and chose to stand out?
Well, to be very honest, it was not a decision that I want to stand out. It was not a purposeful thought that I thought that, okay, this is what is going on, but I am going to do this. It was more like, what can I bring to people which is real? Because I feel that there are too many reels out there and too less is real. So even though it's on social media, even though it was virtual, हमारा ये ख्याल था और हमारी ये कोशिश थी कि हम जैसे हैं, जहाँ से आते हैं, जिस तरीके से बात करते हैं, उस तरीके से लोगों तक पहुँचने की कोशिश करें, उस तरीके से अपनी बात कहने की कोशिश करें. And that worked out pretty well for me. I am amazed by the kind of acceptance I got and the love I got. So it's a lot of luck also, and it's a lot of love by people.
Yes, and we see that profile very clearly.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So before we go on to our last game segment, Play with the VS, we know you as someone who believes in dreaming your big life, living your life on its face value, and while you do the best for yourself, we know the online world sometimes put others down, and the criticism and even give certain labels. So how have you personally dealt with all of that?
To be very, very honest, ऐसा नहीं है कि negative comments नहीं आते, या ऐसा नहीं है कि लोग criticize नहीं करते. But I still think that at the end of the day, it's about how we take it. अगर हमने कोई गाना अपलोड किया है जो हम जानते हैं, हमने लाइव गाया है, उसमें ऑटो ट्यून यूज नहीं किया है, और कोई कमेंट करके कहता है oh my god too much auto tune, I already know the reality. तो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं ये जरूर लगता है कि खुद को ओवर एक्सप्लेन करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. हम कुछ लोगों की सोच चाह के भी हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते उनके बारे में. So I just feel that this need for validation from other people, this expectation कि हमें सब पसंद करें, वो मेरे में नहीं है. I'm okay with some people not liking me, and I'm very very blessed that a lot of people like me.
Amazing. And
That's really good, you know, if you know how to deal with them. There are a lot of
right. And there are a lot of people who can't, differentiate between how to take the criticism constructively, and they fall into the trap of negativity, and that affects them and no one else.
It's really tough because everybody out there, I feel, is working really hard. सब जन बहुत effort put करते हैं. एक छोटा वीडियो बनाने में भी बहुत effort लगता है. So I respect all the influencers out there who are trying to spread positivity, who are trying to spread any kind of information. अगर उनकी फॉलोइंग है, दे आर हेल्पिंग पीपल, एंड उसमें अगर उनके ऊपर नेगेटिव कमेंट्स आते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स आई फील वेरी बैड एंड आई फील वेरी सैड, एंड दैट्स वन ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई आई थिंक आई माय सेल्फ विल नेवर पोस्ट अ नेगेटिव कमेंट, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि कितना खराब लगता है अगर आप दिन में उठो और एक बुरा कमेंट देख लो. तो मुझे लगता है अगर कोई कुछ कर रहा है एंड बाय चांस मैं उस चीज से अग्री नहीं भी कर सकती, तो मैं वो अपने पास रख सकती हूँ. मुझे जरूरी नहीं है कि मैं हर चीज जाके उस इंसान से कहूँ, या हर जगह मुझे सही होना जरूरी है. सो यू नो, आई फील दैट नीड टू बी राइट, दैट नीड फॉर वैलिडेशन डजंट एग्जिस्ट इन मी, एंड दैट मेक्स लाइफ मच ईजियर.
And this thought is the need of the hour right now on social media.
Yes, I definitely feel so.
Right. So, okay, that brings us to our last and final segment, Play with the VS, where we'll give you 5 rapid questions and you give us 5 fiery answers to that. Are you ready?
Okay. I hope my brain works in time.
Okay, so the first one is, if you were given a superpower, what would it be?
To magically heal medical illnesses.
Nice, good one. Need of the hour again.
Need of the hour. True. Okay, your favorite music band?
My favorite music band?
Yeah.
Maroon 5.
Nice, likewise.
When I'm unified, don't feel what you like, just like animals. Oh my god, love that band.
I love your voice. I love your voice. Absolutely. So, any one social taboo that you would like to smash the hell out of the universe?
Oh, periods. They are normal. You and I are the reason for periods. So please talk about them, accept them. It happens to every girl. जिनके नहीं होते उनको दिक्कत है भाई. उनसे पूछो. जिनके होते हैं वो लकी हैं. And periods में अचार छूने से कुछ नहीं होता. बस.
True. Very true. Okay, your favorite makeup brand?
Oh, My Glam latest. It's amazing. I love the way it's priced. I love its products. It has really helped my skincare. It has brands by Manish Malhotra Beauty, and it has a lot of like sub brands like K-Play. The makeup is very cute. It's very affordable for artists like us who love to do makeup and who want quality makeup, but not at a very expensive price. It's very good. The company is doing very well. The brand is doing very well. I wish them success. It's called My Glam.
Do we know our next pick now?
I think we have done quite a good advertisement here by Sanskruti.
Yes.
I hope they consider this.
Okay, so the last one. If your life was a movie, which one it would have been?
Dear Zindagi.
Nice pick.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you so much, Sanskruti, for joining us. It was a pleasure speaking with you.
Thank you, ladies, for having me here. It was a very, very, very pleasant experience speaking to both of you. Thank you so much for having me and making me feel so important.
Yes, and we hope you keep inspiring all your audience and all ours as well. So all the listeners out there, go check out her page for her amazing voice, for reality checks and some daily makeup hacks.
Thank you so much. Lots of love. Stay safe. I love you.
Yeah, same. You too. Stay safe.
Bye.
Hope all of you have enjoyed today's episode as much as we did. So stay tuned and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and also comment.